Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restore your Android phone back to a factory state, so basically a clean wipe. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up our settings menu, so however you normally would access that. And then underneath personal, you want to left click on where it says backup and reset. So left click on that. Underneath personal data, there should be an option here that says factory data reset. Erases all data on tablet. Left click on that. You will receive a prompt here saying this will erase all data from your tablet's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Left click on reset tablet, and you will receive one further prompt making you confirm your decision. Once you have read through this, you want to left click on erase everything, and then it will begin the process of factory resetting your device. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.